Craig from Twin States Harley-Davidson, and as you can see, as you look around, we are doing some construction. We're doing all kinds of stuff to beautify the store. Come on in, we'll take a look. As you can see, we're going to be expanding the floor a little bit here. The entire store is getting a brand new floor, and it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. So yes, we are doing construction, and absolutely yes, we're still open. Come on in and take a look at the new 22s. We got more coming. Come on in and say hi. Like us, share us, spread the word. Thanks and have a great day.